Sí. Si esta es la que te va a dar esta, de toda la vida.
Passarà el dia
esperando llevarse una vez más. Y nada, pues tiene varias actividades, estará con unos jóvenes y además mañana estará con un gran evento. Señores y señores, aquí lo tenemos, LeBron James. Aquí está LeBron, recién llegado de Asia. Bien, vale, por favor, fotógrafos. Tenemos que seguir con la rueda de prensa, tenemos poco tiempo. Por favor, me piden los de las televisiones que os bajéis.
Sí. Foto agachado, sentados entráis todos.
Fotos agachados, si no, la televisión no.
Entráis muy largo.
Oh, sorry, you have to get lower.
Well, for us, I mean, we will hope we can, continue to play well and make it back to the finals. If it's against Spain, which is a very good team, we have a lot of respect for them, but it's other great teams as well that's going to be in the field. So, we look forward to the challenge of whoever we play throughout the course of the Olympics, and we can't wait. I think London is going to be an unbelievable site for the Olympics, to hold the Olympics, and I'm looking forward to it. Well, for me, like I said, until we get to the point where there's no NBA season, I will be able to reevaluate my situation. But right now, I'm preparing. I'm preparing just like I was doing last summer. Leading up to this point, and preparing for a training camp, preparing for preseason, the regular season, all those things. So, it's hard for me to think about what may happen right now, but I'm just constantly just working on my game, just trying to get better and looking forward to the season. It's everything for me. It's all the hard work that I put into it in the off season and during the regular season, and it's the only thing, honestly, as an individual, that eludes me right now. So that is my obsession. I like that word. It's pretty cool.
Bien, sí.
I think it's a great competition. There's great teams here in Europe, and there's great teams in the NBA as well. And I think, each team, was 0-0 when the game started, and each team, has an opportunity to win. So, I don't take discouraged from any Euro team, no discouraged from any NBA team. I just think it'd be two good teams going against one another and just trying to win. There's a lot of passion in basketball here. There's a lot of passion in basketball in America, and it's a lot of guys that want to win, and they're just trying to play at the most, at the highest level they can, during those games.
Muy bien, pues nada, we just like to thank you very much, LeBron, for having come out to be with us. Vamos a dar un aplauso a LeBron. Y nada, gracias a todos vosotros por haber venido. Y ya sabéis, Barcelona-Londres, el espíritu olímpico